everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to create video using AI text, character and AI voice generate from CapCut video editor. Okay, first I'm going to select that character right here. You can see that all characters. Go ahead and click this one.
Hey, good to see you.
Okay, you can select any character. Then I'm going to select this girl, also beautiful and very attractive. Okay, now you have to insert what kind of word you need to generate a video. Then you can see I'm going to write here that blue ball. Click this one, AI writer. Okay, now I'm going to insert how to travel in the world. Okay, how to travel in the world. Okay, go ahead and type in what kind of video you want to generate with the AI talking script. Then select this one, talking script, and enter. Okay, now you can see that generating automatically from AI writer. Alright guys, already they generated that from AI writer. AI writer, they giving that description all clear and well organized. Then we have to select that voice. Okay, which voice you want to select it. Okay, I'm going to select the Queen. You have already Pro CapCut, then you can go that Pro. Free version not available for this selections. Show more. So I'm going to select the Valley Girl.
You can have AI characters speak for you.
Yeah, that sounds good. Then I'm going to go with that character, this girl, and this voice, Valley Girl. Alright guys, after I given the world how to travel in the world in the AI writer, they given back a long description, details, very clear and organized. You can see now, hello you all travel enthusiasts out there. Today we are diving into the world of the global adventure with some fantastic tips on flight accommodation, food, activities and souvenirs. You can see many details they give in very organized and you can see clearly. Okay, then I'm going to select next. Okay, if you want more details, then you can click next. Okay, I'm going to add track. Okay, hello travel enthusiasts. I'm excited how to share some tips how to make your world travel unforgettable. Research your destination, book flight and accommodation in advance to save money and avoid last minute stress. Right, everything looks good. Then
Hello, travel enthusiasts. I'm excited to share some tips on how to make your world travels unforgettable. First, plan ahead. Research your destinations. Book flights and accommodations in advance to save money and avoid last-minute stress. Next, pack smartly. Choose clothes that can be dressed up or down, accessories that can add a touch of local flavor, a good camera or phone for capturing memories, and a travel adapter for global compatibility. Thirdly, immerse yourself in the local culture. Try the local food and drinks, learn a few words of the language, and experience cultural events like festivals or performances. Fourthly, connect with locals. Stay with hosts from services like Airbnb or couch surfing for genuine insights into local life. Join free walking tours to learn about the city from knowledgeable guides who often become your new friends. Lastly, stay safe and respectful of local customs. Always carry IDs, keep your belongings secure, and remember that some behaviors might be considered offensive or illegal in certain parts of the world. In summary, world travel is an enriching experience that encourages understanding and appreciation of different cultures. Plan well, immerse yourself fully in the local culture, connect with locals and respect their customs. Happy travels! Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on world travel adventures. Until next time.
Guys, already AI generated video with automatically video description, very clear and organized very well. So not only that, you can add for your video background pictures for make a good attractive video produce as well. Okay, now I'm going to add some more pictures. I'm going to import pictures. Import. Okay, first I'm going to add touch bar right here. Then Sydney, Australia. Okay, next picture for Japan, and okay, I'm going to switch for Japan right here, and New York. The last picture I'm going to put Niagara Falls, Canada. So any pictures you can create as much you can, then generate a video for nicely. Okay, we can typing on the pictures. We have set the picture Taj Mahal. Okay, you can change font size like that. Even we can drag and drop somewhere. Yeah, here's good. Can I put any color? Yeah, looks good. Okay, again I'm gonna put name on this picture and the place. Sydney, Australia. Okay, you can drag and drop to somewhere. Okay, I put this color. Yeah, looks good. So like that you can place on the pictures, write down text. Okay, everything looks good. Then okay, everything done. Then you can export and upload your YouTube video for the AI generate. So that's the way you can make so fast AI use AI characters and text and everything you can use for the AI videos to upload your YouTube video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. That's the way how to make AI tools with the videos.